Hi, I'm Neema from Neema's Kitchen. In today's tips and tricks, let's learn how to make a homemade garam masala. Garam masala is a blend of ground spices used extensively in Indian cuisine. The word masala simply means spices and garam means hot. However, garam masala doesn't necessarily constitute a particularly spicy blend. So, let's begin. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscription button below and the bell icon. I make two types of garam masalas. First one is made with 9 hand-picked spices, which is named as Neema's special handmade masala. And the second one is what I learned from my mom. Today I am going to teach you my mom's recipe. The spices needed are star anise 1, cinnamon sticks 3, cloves 10, green cardamom 13 pods, black cardamom 1, black pepper 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 2 teaspoon, nutmeg half, cumin seeds 2 tablespoon, coriander seeds 1/4 cup, bay leaves 7. Let's dry roast these spices in a low flame and blend it in a normal blender to make a fine and smooth powder. So, let's start. I am going to add our coriander seeds first. Roast it for a few minutes till you get a good aroma. The spices has warmed up, so I am just transferring it to a bowl. The next spice which I am going to add is the cumin seeds. The cumin seeds are ready, so I am just transferring it to the same bowl. Now goes in the fennel seeds. Warm it up the same way. Now I am going to drop in our bay leaves. Let's next add the rest of the spices. Black pepper, black cardamom, green cardamom, star anise, nutmeg, cinnamon sticks, and the last one is our cloves. Dry roast the same way. Our spices are ready to go in the blender. Let's add. And goes in the spices. Let's blend. It smells so good. Let's transfer this garam masala to an airtight container when it cools down to room temperature. Hope you will try it out. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. I shall try to answer it. See you in my next video with another tips and tricks.